Students, now we will begin with chapter number 2, long and short, page number 13. How far apart are the dots? You can see in this picture that few dots are given and they are named as ABCD. Guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeter is it? Now measure it with the help of scale. Did you guess right? You have to take any two dots. For suppose A and B and A and C. First of all, you have to guess the measurement, and then after you have to check the measurement and then write. So we are checking the measurement. Distance between A and B is of 3 centimeter, and distance between A and C is also of 3 centimeter. Which two dots do you think are the farthest from each other? Check your answer. You have to check which two dots are farthest from each other. So, for suppose we are taking O and M. This will be farthest from each other. Let us check. This is 10, and if we take O and H, this will be 9.5. So answer will be O and M. You have to write this in textbook itself. O and M. Which two dots are nearest to each other? Check your answer. You can see M and F, C and K, and D and O. Now if we take M and F, the measurement is greater than 1 but less than 1.5. Now if we take D and O, it is less than F and M. And now if we take C and K, it is more than both of this. So answer will be D and O. These two dots are nearest to each other. Page number 14. The shorter line. Akbar was a famous king. He had smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. Birbal, here is the line. Make it shorter without erasing. Now, Akbar, we all know Akbar, who is a famous king, and his minister was Birbal. Akbar had very difficult question, and Birbal used to solve this difficult question. Now, in our book, the given question is, Akbar has drawn a line. And he says to Birbal that make this line shorter without erasing it. So what Birbal does? He draws a longer line than Akbar's line. So automatically this line will be shorter. The task was to make Akbar's line shorter without erasing it. And Birbal drew a bigger line than Akbar's line. So automatically this was Akbar's line. Akbar's line was shorter. Look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. This is what I explained. Now can you be as smart as Birbal? Make his line shorter without erasing it. Just think, is there any longest line? There is no longest line because we can draw there is no longest line because we can draw a line of any centimeter. Now page number 14. Try this. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than left arm. So what we will do? We will take a scale and measure her arm is around more than 1 but less than 1.5. Now we have to draw another arm which will be 1 centimeter more. So we will draw arm which is more than 1 centimeter long, like this. Now next, draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. What is the length of this cup? This is around 2. So we will draw a cup less than 2 centimeter. We will take a scale 1 centimeter shorter. So length of cup will be like this. This is the cup 1 centimeter shorter than the given cup. Draw a broom half as long as this broom. So we will measure this broom. You have to draw all this in textbook only. The measurement of this broom is 4.5. Half of 4.5 will be 2.25. So we will draw like this. This is half, and over here you can make it look like a broom by drawing such lines. This is half of the given broom. Draw another hair double of this length. Now you have a hair and you have to draw another hair or double of its length. So this will be like this. Page number 15. How tall have you grown? Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Yes. Do you think you have grown taller? You were a little bit taller than you were in class 3. So answer will be yes, I have grown taller. By which centimeter? You can measure your height and write down what was your height in class 3 and what was your height in class 4, and then you can find out difference. I have written a random difference of 4 centimeter over here. Have your friends also grown taller? So answer. Suppose we are taking a friend's name. So we are taking friend's name as Sonu, Monu, Bubbly, Guddu and Raj. Now last year your friend's height was 125. You have to write this in table. 140, 132, 150 and 140. This year your friend's height will be 135, 148, 136, 153 and 146. Now how many centimeters they have grown? For that we will do subtraction. 135 minus 125. 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So answer will be 10 centimeter. They have grown 10 centimeter. Next is 148 and 140. 8 minus 0 will be 8, 4 minus 4 0 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. Answer will be 8 centimeter. Next is 136 and 132. 6 minus 2 will be 4, 3 minus 3 will be 0 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So answer will be 4 centimeter. Next is 153 and 150. 3 minus 0 will be 3, 5 minus 5 will be 0 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So answer will be 3 centimeter. Next is 146 and 140. 6 minus 6 will be 6 minus 0 will be 6, 4 minus 0 will be 4, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So answer will be 6 centimeter. Like this you have to fill this complete table. Now next one. Jalpa once read a list of tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. This is just double of Jalpa's height. How tall is Jalpa? See, there is a girl named Jalpa. She was reading list of tallest people in the world, and one of them was 272 centimeter long. But Jalpa's height is half of this given number. So what we will do? We will do 272 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives 1. So 2 ones will be 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Now 7 down. 7 does not come in the table of 2. So we have to find a number less than 7, which will be 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 gives 1. And now we will take this 2 down. 12. 6 2s will be 12. So 12 minus 12 will be 0. So height of Jalpa is 136 centimeter. You have to write this in CW. Now could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? So answer will be no. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands? So answer will be yes. The long and short family. Who is the tallest in your family? So answer will be father. Who is the shortest in your family? Answer will be I. I am the shortest in your family. It means you. What is difference between their heights? It means you have to find out difference between your father's height and yours height. Suppose your father's height is 175 centimeter and yours height is 195 centimeter. So 5 minus 5 will be 0, and we cannot subtract 7 from 9. So 7 cut 17 and 1 cut 0. 17 minus 9 will be 8. So difference is 80 centimeter. You have to write this in last blank.